The Ministry of Ecology, Environmental Protection and Climate Change begins a week of workshops for eco-sectoral workers and staff in Uzbekistan. Qualified specialists and international experts will conduct a training. Within 5 working days to improve professional skills of seminar participants, planned to familiarize them with international practices, provide lectures by experienced experts operating in the field of ecology and environmental protection.
The goal of today's seminar is to teach how to find the right solutions to eco problems and improve eco workers' skills, particularly the approach to natural resources with greater awareness and the prevention of cutting down trees.
During the seminar, the participants will be tested to assess the degree of knowledge received in the field of environmental control and environmental impact assessment. They will be awarded special certificates by the end of the examination. Also during the event, the launch of Eco Indicator project was announced. So what will it deal with and what are its advantages?
The project will be dedicated to calculating the level of environmental protection by using a system of indicators. This means that it will measure the level of pollution and ecological conditions of a certain region. This system is still being improved and will be documented soon. This will help to identify environmental problems in each region better, separately, and help to find a special approach to each region of the country.
Representatives of international eco-organizations and experts are also invited to the training seminar. We asked them about their contribution to the week-long seminar and what approaches they would like to introduce.
Our organization is supporting the government specifically in implementing projects, but also in how to measure the impact of a whole policy. We're implementing one project specifically to assess the impact of sustainable tourism development in the Charvak region. And this has impacts on the environment, on society, on the economy, and we're working together with the government to develop a comprehensive interdisciplinary framework to assess how sustainable are all these things that are happening to promote tourism on the environment and on society as a whole.
In addition, we asked about the effectiveness of work and whether the result is justified and what problem of non-performance of works to deal with environmental problems.
They don't have yet a very strong data collection of all the interventions individually. If you have a centralized data collection place where all the information comes together, then you can add it up together and you can assess what the total impact is. But the data collection capacities at the individual interventions is still growing, and so it's helpful to have a strategic level of assessment. This has been done in many other countries for tourism or for many other kinds of environmental policies. The key to making these effective is connecting it to decision making. Sometimes you do an assessment and it sits on a shelf, it's a nice book with a pretty picture, and then everybody is still busy doing their interventions on the ground. So those that are most effective are where they're all engaging very closely with decision makers. Those people have to make decisions every month, every year, to help them make sure that they keep that in mind so that they adopt those.
The seminar was attended by more than 300 participants from different regions of Uzbekistan. For information, training session will last from June 19 to 23rd.